Yeah, so this is 5 things to check before pressing record. Number 1, battery. Do you have enough? Do you have enough juice? Is it gonna die during a shot? Also, have extra batteries, have them on chargers because cameras drain batteries. Number 2, memory. Did you format the card? Do you have enough space on it? Do you have multiple? Cards fail, cards get lost, have backups. Number 3, sound. Can you see the levels on the camera when you're talking? Or if you're going into a recorder, can you see the levels? Bonus points if you have headphones and you actually listen to what you sound like. Number 4, exposure. You gotta have light. The camera's gotta be able to see what it's doing. Number 5, white balance. Now that you got lights, you gotta white balance your camera. It could be as simple as just holding up, a white sheet of paper and white balancing on that. So that's what it is. You go through the checklist. All right, go ahead and grab focus and or press record, whichever comes first for you.